If you want to edit lock screen clock on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then in that case we need to open settings. Now once you go to settings, then in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and we need to find the personalization option. In here you want to tap on the lock screen in order to start customizing it. Over here we have the clock. Of course we can tap on it in order to start customizing it. As you can see, we have a bunch of different clock faces that you can choose. So we have a couple of classic ones, we have big clocks, we have Eastern Aesthetics, Magazine, and Doodle lock screen. You can choose pretty much whichever you would like to use. In some of these cases you have some further customization options. However, in many cases we have just the color. But if you stick with the classic style, then you should be able to change the font. You can also adjust the thickness of that font. And in here we have the color selection as well. And that is pretty much it. Once you are done with the customization of the clock, you can just tap on apply in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.